In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade perpetuals on Axiom. Now, this is an updated guide for 2025, so make sure you stay tuned. So, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So, make sure you check that out. It's really worth it. You can trade perpetuals on here. You have Twitter trackers, wallet trackers, and it's packed with some advanced features which are usually paid, but you can use them for free over here on Axiom. So make sure you check that out. Now, over here, if you want to trade perpetuals, simply click on the fourth tab, which is perpetuals. There we go. Now in here, you can then first select the coin you would like to trade. So you can see the main three coins up here, the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, and then Solana as well. And you can change it by clicking over here where it says the coin's name, so Bitcoin, and you can just change it to something else. So for example, let's say we're going to move down and we're going to just go to like Jupiter, something like that. You can click on whatever you want. So after you click on a coin, you can see how the price is doing. And this chart is basically by trading view. So I'm assuming you know how this works. You'll basically see all the different candles over here, how the price is doing. You'll be able to change charts from minutes to different hours and different time periods over here. You'll be able to set indicators, draw different lines, etc. So there's a lot of things you can do, as well as see your open orders and then trades down here. So this likely is familiar to you in case you have ever traded perpetuals before, anywhere on any platform. You can also see the order book and then the trades over here, which all can be, of course, used whenever you want to. So to actually trade perpetuals, you have the long and the short option over here, and for that you will need USDC. So in case you're holding some Solana, click on deposit up here, go to convert, and then just basically type in how much you would like to convert to USDC, confirm it when you get the quote, and then you'll be able to start trading perpetuals over here. You can long or short, as I said. You can buy at market or at limit, as well as sell, or short at market and limit over here. And then after you have some funds, you can basically just buy over here with this button. So you can, of course, also select over here. Let me just show you. There we go. You can also just select different buy amounts by typing them in, or just selecting these percentages over here. And then you can also set a limit price if you want to, or take profit and stop losses in case that's what you're interested in. So that's pretty much it. That's how to trade perpetuals on Axiom. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.